Wagwan G-Clan, we're back again. So I want to show you how the GT50 performs. I have the microphone on and the video, so let me start recording. Here we go. Let me put it fit. I've had my buddy to come over to assist with holding the camera of the phone so that we can concentrate on shooting the video. And today is maximum fun. You know why? I have 4 batteries, man. Seems like I've forgotten. It's been a minute since I flew this thing. I can see the controls are quite. Controls are quite. I don't know if it's the drone. I'm not quite sure what it is because it seems to be. But the microphone is heavy. I don't know. But here it is. Is there a way to combine these both videos? The drone footage, or it will be on a separate video, I suppose. It is. So let me send it. It is. I think that's the farthest I've flown it. It's not responsive. It's quite high. It is sounding, but the winds are strong. And they call this the legend. You know why? Because this guy is strong. This guy is resilient. Come back. Come back. Guys, I'm testing some new batteries. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today. If you're interested in the GT50, I have 2 pieces. Yeah, I wouldn't mind sharing so that you enjoy the fun. So right now we are at almost 4 minutes still flying. I want to test the battery limits. So you can see that's around the hood. You can see the camera quality. Let me get it up again and then rotate. Okay. Now you can see now the drone is facing me. And the winds are strong, but this guy is handling it well. Come on. Yeah. This is the leg. For a reason. The winds are strong, but it's performing well. Yeah. So that's. I don't know. It would have been better if someone else is recording me so that you can see me flying it. It's good. I'll find a way of combining the videos, or I'll separate it. So let me concentrate on the drone with my phone so that you can see it well. Come, it is okay. I repeated it. back. Woo! I'm not sure if it's the battery or the winds are strong, but I doubt the wind. It's the batteries. Either they didn't charge well because they are new. I was telling you, up to 3 pieces which I can share with you. You enjoy. So let me put the maximum speed. And the 3 dots mean it's the full speed now. You can notice when I move it, it's aggressive, throttle. It's 15. Okay, let me show you. Let me bring it down a little. Then you see, observe now. Okay. Now see, that's speed 1, 3 mean. Now see, very responsive. I'm not sure if it's the battery or what. The drone keeps losing power, but the weight, I suspect it must be the weight, the microphone weight, you see, for audio. So as you can see, so it's losing weight. I mean, it's losing power and dropping, but I'm not sure why. I'll share the footage. 24 minutes, wow. So, let me start another recording on the, what was I saying even? So, let me adjust the camera, that's how you do it. Now it's watching us directly. Oh, I was telling about the speeds. So that's speed 2. Speed 2. Look at it. And then speed 1 now is, you can notice, it's quite slow. Let me add speed so that you can take it up. I think it's the weight, so I'll have to put it at maximum throttle to send it. Yes, the microphone weight, got it. Because at speed 1, normally it performs, but it was weaker this time round. So I suspect it's the weight, and then the way I've mounted it, it's not stable. Like I did not know it will affect it. Okay, I knew, but I didn't think. As you can see, it's not well balanced. Let me just turn it off. You can see I should have put it somewhere in the middle. Let me just adjust it now. Again. Yeah, should be fine now. Send it to the fullest. But now, for now 8 minutes, they're still going. Let me concentrate on it. So, look at it. Now this thing can do a 360. It's not theory, it's true. So let me take it up, but I don't want to go so high because I know the battery. I'm not quite sure with it. It's a new battery. I'm testing it. How long it will take my drone, because the other one is still new, brand new. I've tested it, it's flying, but I can't push it the way I normally push mine. Mine is the legend. The legend. This is the legend. This one is the beginning of it all. No, this is not the Genesis. The Genesis is the other one, the GT3. But the GT50 is the legend. Look at him. This thing is so much easy to fly. Look at it. I'm concentrating on the screen. And then guys, remember it has obstacle avoidance. So I can hear those dots mean that the battery is getting low. You see? At 10 minutes. But remember, it only took 10 minutes because it has weight on it. The microphone has weight. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm flying on full throttle, speed 3. So let me just give it time to land. That's the good thing about it. Once it starts beeping, it will just drop gently. It won't fall off the sky, and it will warn you before coming. So once it starts beeping, you just know, hey man, it's time to go. It's time to go. As you can see, so we are done with the first battery. I'll end both videos. And yeah, that's it. That's the legend. Look at him. That's how he performs. Yeah man. So let's go to the second battery. End the video. And this one.